Good day, everyone. In today's video, we are going to explain about the sum of the terms of the arithmetic sequence. So before we will proceed in this explanation, napanood naman natin about the lectures or the lessons about the arithmetic sequence. Just remember the important terms that should be remembered about the arithmetic sequence, common difference. So in this video, we are going to explain about the sum of the terms of the arithmetic sequence. So how do we find the sum of the arithmetic sequence when the nth term is higher? We cannot, if we just add some numbers up to 5 or maybe less, it's easy for us to use the arithmetic or addition, or we just add it. So medyo siya, madali lang kung konti lang yung number na given. The formula is S sub n equals n multiply to the quantity of a sub 1 plus the quantity also of a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied to d all over 2. So as you observe here in this formula, we were able to have the formula of the arithmetic sequence. But in this case, there are some derivation of the formula that should be used. Or we can also have the second formula, which is the S sub n equals to n over 2 quantity or multiplied to twice the first term or a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 multiplied to the common difference. So where n is the nth term and a sub 1 is the first term and d is the common difference. We also have another formula. If we don't have a common difference, we can use this formula, the S sub n, or the sum of the arithmetic sequence, equals n multiplied to the a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. Now, let's have first example. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, and so forth. Solutions. So we have here the given a sub 1 is equals to 5. The value of the common difference is 4, where nakuha natin yung 4 na yan from subtracting the second term to the first term, or maybe from the third term to the second term, or maybe to 17 or the fourth term to the third term. So that's the basic way on how to find the common difference. Then the value of n is 10, which is we are going to solve for the n terms or the 10 terms. So n is equal to 10. Using the formula, S sub n equals to n over 2 multiplied to 2 a sub 1 plus multiplied to n minus 1 times d. We are going to substitute the value of n, which is 10, then divided by 2, multiplied to the product of 2 and the first term, which is 5, added to the difference of n minus 1, which is 10 minus 1, multiplied to the common difference of 4. Then we have to simplify. The S sub 10 equals to 5 multiplied to the sum of 10 and the product of 9 and 4. Where do we get the value of 9? We just subtract the 10 minus 1. Then we have 5 multiplied to n plus the product of 9 and 4 is 36. S sub 10 equals 5 multiplied to 46. So the value of S sub 10, or the 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17 is 230. So if you want to check your answer, pwede ninyong gagamitin yung by adding the numbers from 5, 9, 13, 17, then and so on and so forth up to 10 terms. You can find that the value of the 10 term is 230. And now, what if the sequence is in descending order? Kanina, ang ating given example is in ascending order. So how do we solve for the n terms if the given is in descending order or pababa? Example number 2. Find the sum of the first 12 terms of the arithmetic sequence -2, -5, -8, -11, and so forth. Here are the solutions. So, meron tayong given. We have the a sub 1 equals to -2. The common difference is -3. Where do we get the common difference? By just subtracting -5 and -2, or maybe -8 and -5. So we got -3. Then the value of n, which is the n terms, is 12. So we are going to use the formula s sub n equals to n all over 2 multiplied to twice the first term added to n minus 1 multiplied to the common difference d. Substitute the value of n is 12 divided by 2. Multiply the quantity of 2 times the first term, which is the -2, added to the value of n is 12 minus constant 1 multiplied to the common difference of 13. S sub 12 is equals to, so the quotient of 12 and 2 is 6, multiplied to the product, which is the -4, added to 11 times -3. S sub 12 is equals to 6, multiplied to the quantity of -4, added to the value of 11 times -3 is -33. So just simply multiply it. Then we have S sub 12 equals to 6 multiplied to -4 minus 33. Then S sub 12 equals to 6. Then the product is -37. So we have to multiply 6 and -37. And we will have the final answer that 12 terms of the arithmetic sequence or the sum of the arithmetic sequence of -2, -5, -8, and -11 is -222. What if the given has n term but has no common difference? Is it possible? Posible bang makuha natin yung sum of the arithmetic sequence na walang common difference? Yes, of course. We just have to use how to find the common difference. Now, let's try the example number 3. Find the sum of the first 12 terms if the first term is 3 and the 12th term is 36. Even if we don't have common difference, we can still find it. So, the given are a sub 1, the first term is 3, and the n term, a sub 12, is 36, and the value of n is 12. So as you remember just a while ago, that we are going to use the formula of s sub n equals to n multiplied to a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. That's the formula if the common difference is unknown. So by substituting, s sub 12 equals 12, which is the value of n, multiplied to 3 plus 36 all over 2. S sub 12 is equals to 12. The product is 39 all over 2. Then S sub 12, 468. The product of 12 and 39 divided by 2. And the final answer is S sub 12 equals to 234. Before we are going to end this video, if you want to have more, maraming mga videos na gusto nyong malaman tungkol sa grade 10 or mathematics, you can click this notification and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Just remember, ang pagiging matalino sa math ay hindi kailangan ng pinanganak ka naging matalino. Kailangan mo lang magsumikap. Kailangan mo lang talagang magtiyaga. Dahil ang mathematics, mamahalin ka niyan kung mahal mo siya. Thank you and God bless.